Buongiorno, welcome back everybody. Today we're gonna do the banana bread. We're gonna need to mix and mash the banana with the vegetable oil. The banana is better if they're a little bit ripe. After we mix and mash our banana, we're gonna add the eggs with the custard sugar and the light brown sugar. So here you can use just the custard sugar if you like. I prefer to play with the sugar, so here I put the light brown sugar because it's gonna be more mostly our cake. After we mix our sugar with the eggs, so we can add all our dry ingredients. But first, let's take some flour from your mix and put on your chocolate. We're gonna do this because like this, when we're gonna put the chocolate at the end, the chocolate is not gonna set on the bottom of our cake. After we well mix everything together, so as you can see the cinnamon and the light brown sugar give us this beautiful dark color. So now we can put our mix of banana and vegetable oil. So we mix it together because like this is gonna become like a paste. When our mix is done, so now we can add our last ingredients, ovvero the dark chocolate and the flour. Let's preheat our oven at 160 degrees and let's prepare our tray. After we did this piece of art, so we can put our banana bread mix in our cake mold. Let's bake the cake at 160 degrees for around 1 hour, 1 hour and 20 minutes, depends on the size of your cake. After it cool down, we can cut it, we can put icing sugar, you can eat in any way possible you like. So now you don't have any excuse what to do with the red banana. So guys, if you like my video, push my small face, little face, round face, I don't know how to call it. And you can find my other recipe over here. So give us a like, comment, and let me know what you think.